The Walmart Money Card and Cash App Card are both prepaid-style payment options, but they are built for different types of users. Walmart Money Card works like a reloadable debit card connected to a Walmart account, while Cash App Card connects directly with your Cash App balance. By the end, you'll know how these two cards compare and which one fits your spending habits better. Start with the Walmart Money Card. Walmart Money Card is designed for people who want a card they can use for everyday purchases while managing money through the Walmart Money Card app. You can use it for purchases wherever Visa or MasterCard debit cards are accepted, depending on the card type, and manage account features through the app. The card is closely connected with Walmart services, making it useful for people who already shop at Walmart regularly. If you want a separate account for budgeting or everyday spending, a reloadable card can help you keep that money separate from your main bank account. Now compare the Cash App Card. The Cash App Card is linked to your Cash App balance. Instead of loading money onto a separate prepaid account, you spend money that is available inside Cash App. This makes it convenient for people who already use Cash App to send money, receive payments, or manage their balance. The biggest difference is how you manage your money. With Walmart Money Card, you manage a dedicated card account. With Cash App Card, your spending is connected to your Cash App balance. The better option depends on whether you prefer a traditional card account or a payment app experience. Shopping habits also matter. If you frequently shop at Walmart and want a card connected with Walmart services, Walmart Money Card may fit your routine better. If you already use Cash App frequently and want a card connected to that balance, Cash App Card may feel more convenient. Consider how you add money, track spending, and use the card before choosing one. Check the fees, available features, and account requirements for each card before signing up. Card terms can change, so review the latest information directly from each provider. The right choice is the card that matches your daily spending pattern. A card you understand and use consistently is usually more useful than one with features you never need. To recap, Walmart Money Card is built around a dedicated reloadable card account. Cash App Card is connected to your Cash App balance, and the better choice depends on whether you prefer Walmart-focused features or a payment app-based experience. Before choosing, compare the current fees and features inside both apps. If this comparison helped you decide between Walmart Money Card and Cash App Card, like the video and subscribe for more payment app comparisons and money guides.